Hey there everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about a testimonial slider plugin. So with the help of this plugin you will be able to create some really amazing looking and beautiful looking testimonial slider on your website with super easy step. So I will tell you how you can create those testimonial slider on your website in like couple of minutes, right? And if you want to go through the whole documentation section, you can always come to this website and check it out. So let me go to the live preview, then you will get a rough idea what I am talking about right now, because I'm pretty excited about this particular plugin because it is super easy to install and use, right? And if you come to this section, you will see this is the type how we are going to install it. Okay, if I'm not wrong, they are not showcasing the proper testimonial slider. I will just install this plugin on our website and show you how it is. Okay, so first of all you need to buy this plugin. I'm assuming that you have already bought this plugin and it is up and running on your device, right, system. So I have already bought it and it is on my system, so I will just install this particular plugin on my website. Okay, so coming back to my website, this is youtube.simehranclub.com. I generally prefer using this domain for my YouTube video tutorials, right? And right now on this domain I have successfully uploaded a very beautiful looking organic e-commerce store up and running, and this is the very beautiful store. And if you want me to teach you how you can make this kind of e-commerce store, do let me know in the comment section, then I will just make a video like this is very easy to make e-commerce store, right? So coming back to the tutorial, right? To install that particular plugin you need to log into a dashboard. If you don't know how to log in, that's super easy. You need to type youtube.simehranclub.com/wp admin. So basically what I have done, I have added my domain name first, then /wp admin. So you have to do the same thing. You have to add your domain name xyz.com and /wp admin and hit enter. You will be redirected to your dashboard. Okay, super easy. Okay, there is a cache. If you're logging in for the first time, then it will ask you for the username and password which you have entered while you were installing cPanel, while you were installing WordPress on your cPanel. Okay, cool. So now on the left hand side you will see a lot of settings, right? So basically this is the section dashboard or backend where you can modify, edit, or create new things for the website, and there is the place where you can manage the website. Okay, so we are going to deal with the plugin section right now. Let me show you what kind of plugins are installed on our website. So basically plugins are some kind of files with the help of which a website increase some kind of functionality, like it extends some kind of functionality with the help of plugin. So Elementor is one of the best page builder out there. So with the help of this you will be able to drag and drop and easily design anything, right? And basically WooCommerce is a plugin with the help of which you will be able to make e-commerce websites successfully happen on WordPress, right? So I will try to add our plugin here. Click add new, and by default WordPress provide you n numbers of free plugin as well. As you can see, Yoast, SEO, classic editor. But the thing is, the free plugins which are available on here, which has been provided by WordPress, those plugins also have some kind of limitation. Their main and amazing feature are hidden inside their own premium plugin, so they will somehow get you urged to buy their own premium plugin. So I generally prefer you, if you are getting started and if you have little bit of money to spend, always go for a premium plugin or theme that will give you a really good output, right? So I'll try to upload this plugin. Here is the select file, and if I'm not wrong, it here I will select the file, install the file, and right now it is uploading the file from my system to the server, and you can see the file has been uploaded successfully on our system, and I just need to activate it, and use super simple. It has been activated successfully, as you can see. So let's do the setting thing for this plugin, and on the left hand side you will see testimonial slider. Click here, and this is the same structure and layout for the Instagram testimonial. As you saw, I have already made it a testimonial. I will just delete it, forget about it. We will create a new widget and we will name it as sample. Okay, cool. And here are the proper setting what you have to do. As you can see, this is the layout and the template. So first of all, what kind of structure you want for your testimonial? Do you want as this? Do you want as a card? right? The postcard, or do you want as a single testimonial, or do you want like this? You can always prefer to take any kind of option. I personally like this one, title postcard. So let's go with this one. And how you want your slider to be? Do you want in a slider manner, or do you want in a carousel grid manner? So let's go with the slider manner. This is more engaging in my scenario. So here is the slider setting. You can always set the slider timing, auto speed, and do you want to show the navigation bar, do you want to show these dots or not? So for me everything is fine, you can change that. And content, here is the section with the help of which you can always change the content, right? If you come here, do you want to change this setting, do you want to change the name, do you want to change the image? You can always change it from here, right? And let me get you straight. I can change one image. This is the picture of the author. Select the file, and here I will just select this one. Cool. This might be a small image if I'm not wrong, but you will get an idea that I'm changing this image, and this has been pixelated, which is very stupid thing, right? So I will just save it. Hope you get my point how I edited this. I will just copy and grab this short code, and I will come back to my website, and I will try to edit my website with Elementor, and I will put that particular shortcode just after this section, customer review. Okay, so let it load, then I will tell you how super and easy it is. Okay, it is loading right now, and it has been loaded successfully, right, which is amazing. And this customer review, I will just open it and add a new section, and try to drop down here a HTML section coming here, and I will paste the shortcode, update it, coming back to the main website, and I will try to refresh it here. Super easy. Okay, and scroll down, and you can see it's loading. It will come upon here, and as you can see, it has been successfully loaded, right? The whole testimonial has been successfully imported here with the help of shortcode. I hope you really get my point what I'm trying to say. This is super easy to like get a slider testimonial, right? And the best part about this slider is that this is also mobile responsive. As you can see, this is so amazingly designed that it is looking amazing on mobile as well. So I hope you really get my point how and what I am trying to explain you people, that there is no much of a big deal to install a testimonial slider. It's super easy. You just need to get a perfect plugin for the perfect functionality. Okay, so I want to wrap this video up by saying if you really like this video, just give it a big thumbs up, and as always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.